How to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see birthdays on Snapchat, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to see birthdays on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch a Snapchat application, you're actually going to be able to see this type of interface. So if you want to see a birthday for your friend, just come to the chat page here and then just go to that page's profile. When you go to that friend's profile, right over here you'll actually find the birthday, which is 27th of March. So if I tap on it, right over there you should be able to see a list of all the other people's birthdays as well as their birthday as well. And this way you'll be able to see birthdays on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.